are there on Steven?
I'm there, you know.
See it, sir. Blessed I am, man. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Yeah. So people Jamaica Uncut and we're there Clarendon Park, clearly in a Clarendon. And we're there with the man Steven who...
Roadside Creations.
Roadside Creations. I was saying, right as you pass the juicy beef off out there, so. If you are come from Santa Cruz side, it's on your right, and if you are come from Kingston side, it's on your left. Right at the train line, people. Yeah, right at the cashew stand at the train line there, so.
Cashew, please.
Cashew heaven.
Anybody tell about cashew, them know it's a Clarendon Park.
Okay, see.
Right at the train line.
Alright, cool. So people demand there and make some shoes, see? And all your shoes them homemade.
Definitely.
And you also do repairs.
Handcraft, yes.
Handcrafted.
Definitely.
So see the people. And Steven, so
Bill Pan Spot.
Bill Pan Spot. Right here, so. Tell the people how long now you do this.
Roughly about 12 years now.
12 years?
No, yeah, man.
Seen right on here, so.
Right on here.
And the eye come from Clarendon?
No, Manchester.
Oh, the eye. Oh, they're right down the road or someone. Neighbor.
Yeah, Manchester.
Seen. And how did you learn this?
No, this is an inbound cap session, you know. This is a family thing.
Oh, for real?
It's in your lines.
Ah.
So you know, but now we go learn this. And practice becomes perfect.
Oh, so you learn it it passed down to you from your old
Yes,
man
man,
who passed on
definitely.
from a theme old man.
Yes.
And you just keep on a work on it
Family
and master
line,
the
yes,
thing.
same so.
Seen.
Definitely. Inbound conception.
And when you buy material,
I get my material in Kingston, you know.
I was saying,
And sometimes in a Mandeville, I have a place in a Mandeville we get it, but mostly on a wide scale, you have to go Kingston to get
okay,
it.
see. And if a man want order shoes, what the process?
Make a down payment, give him name and his number. And write that down in one book.
I was
And we
saying.
decide when you want to compare it.
Oh, so him give the time or you give them the time?
Well, my policy is order it today and you get it tomorrow, you know.
Oh, for real?
Yes, no man.
So one day and you get a shoe?
Yes, no.
Wow, very impressive, man. Wow. And what shoes you can build in a day?
One like all on 3, 4, 5 pairs
Same.
roughly. Yeah.
It's
And we have the
amazing,
material to
man.
do that from scratch.
Seen.
That shoes, you know, slippers.
Slippers?
Yeah.
Oh, and you also repair shoes, me realize. If a man
Yes.
wants him shoes re-bottom, you do that set
Definitely.
speed. And you build the belt them or you just
No, repair that.
repair that. Seen, yeah. So, how much are one of these slippers? And the average price?
Range from the cheapest one at 3,500.
3,500?
Yeah.
Can't complain.
Range from that to
Up to about how much?
up
Maximum?
to 8,500.
Also from 3,500 people to 8,500.
Yeah.
Handcrafted. You order it and the man make it.
Right.
Him also have some pre-made ones.
Yes.
Where they on the front here, so.
Yeah.
Where if you pass through and see one of them there, you can just get one set speed.
Definitely.
If you like any of them. But if you want something specific,
Order.
yeah, you can pre-order it. And the man say his policy is you order it today, you can pick it up tomorrow. Saying, but you have to leave a down payment and you can also decide when you want to come back, come pick it up. Steven, tell the people them your number where if them want to give you a sound, how them can reach
Well, my
you.
number 414, you know, 4138.
So 876-414-4138 people. And you don't have no Instagram page or no
Yeah, man, we're there on Instagram, you know, you can find me roadside_creations.
roadside_creations people. Link up the man, check out him thing, follow him page, support the thing. I'm gonna put the link in the thing as well. So you can link him up and follow it. So at Jamaica Uncut, we're there on the road, we're there Clarendon, we're there with Steven, and the man go and make handcrafted slippers.
Original.
See
The
'em.
only original handcrafted slippers, man, in the
Yes.
vicinity.
See him
Yeah.
so it go.
We also there on Google Maps, you can find it on maps too.
So if you, yeah, go, you can put in your GPS and it can come right
Yeah,
time,
man,
set
right,
speed.
yes.
Yeah. this is my make people.
Yes.
You know what I write. So, when you finish, I say, take a look.
We give thanks to the link and we hope the people them just
How
join
are you,
in
man?
and make it spread.
Yeah, man, see the
Yes.
people, so just show some love, support the man. And suppose somebody want it a foreign, how you work that out?
Yeah man, we send it a foreign to man.
You send a foreign?
Yeah man.
Said
We
speed.
started that with any courier, depending on who, when you order something, the customer will pay for the courier service.
So people, you
So
have
we
a
normally
pay.
use the cheapest one, which is post office. And you get it in a 2 weeks.
Oh, but if they want it quicker, you have to go send it with UPS or one of them.
Alias, or car or somebody.
Or Tara or one of them.
Yeah.
And you are responsible for the shipping cost, people.
Definitely.
See?
But
So
the cheapest cost is the post office and you don't take long to get it.
So post office take 2 weeks. So what that you use and rub it now?
No, it's a sandpaper, this, you know.
Oh, you just put it on a piece of leather?
Yeah.
Ah. See,
This is
that
to ensure that the surface smooth
Right.
when you wrap it.
Okay.
You know, get no rough edges and you know, look bumpy and all of that.
So anybody else in your family who do this as well? Right
As
now?
we say a family thing, you know, yes man, my brother will eat, man, uncle and auntie, man, will do them things.
I was seeing.
Yeah.
Seeing. Alright, Steven. Blessed love, thanks for the information and thanks for spending some time with you and
Thanks, you know.
hope the people reach out and show some support.
Yes man.
Yeah man, and remember again, people can also get it shipped foreign. No matter where you live, you can send it by courier and we're going to put the number in the description down below and just link up the man. See? Blessed love, my brother. Bless up. Blessed love. Blessed love.
Rastafari. Roadside Creation say big up Jamaica and cut every time.
Blessed love, brother. Blessed love.
Rastafari.
Blessed love.
Right, listen.